Siano here the akogudi adruso no kwasinsi aba na wa pocket na the bokrata no sukuta no na de bia meka say ya wonsusu mfa ne ho na yefiada na eboja de nka on the low but you are fan ho no in fact kopra kadua ntumu kura yemfie enti no online stores to ho adomonline.com myjoyonline.com afi do bokrata no graphic times guide ni nyina ba ye kuta no enti no ebe boso ama mo tew se de premier na ye fiada na ye nkai se ahosepe ewo ho agokansie ewo ho na afi yatena se ahwe wo mo ane mo beton ade kakra no so beba ansana mpense mu so aba kwasi kwaba
adwa mjoso
ma wade ye de mu se ring ne so sa na ma fe metete time wona
no chiwaba adwa
se oyere ho ye de
Ubia ho na nso nyame adom se hye
o nyame adom me se no ase meto me
o wade
go wa na me me obia ba obia kutakrata be ko kenkan so a school ni si wo mo ko metem break
yes
metem break na ye ne nko a
yes
o mo ko metem break na fie nko adwa na o mo free school ase and am say
yes
one day metem break
oh yes
wow
adwa
yes akoma no kore na wo
akoma no so eba
1 week
now because yes go back to normal academic calendar na new academic year start September no e ho na yes go back to
be 8 months no aye wo no ye exhausted 3 terms
that is it enti e man bebe fie school fees na etwa na January no shiba no
March by March ending no mama kwan
yes no mama kwan na kwan be fie
no mama kwan but ma remfi say so mama kwan brada na wotwe banada wo mu bi 1 week pe Ghana ye di agro
adwa komo ye be dis how komo no asevi di campaign for ahye ene be bi ato our national plan of my Ghana then the issue no ye be kwa kodisa komo no enyina na mahunu ade bi wo Adom online so with 20 Asamoahs the day are used probably we will not get to IMF
we dey 20 Asamoahs
yes enya Asamoahs so sa 20 enya the day are used sa 20 yenko IMF National Sports Authority yenkinka director party yenko so kana ko assembly we can say na The Director General of the National Sports Authority, Professor Peter Chumesi, is advocating for more professionalism in Ghana sports in order to generate more wealth for the country. According to the NSA boss, scores of financially successful sportsmen, such as former Black Stars captain Asamoah and current Black Stars captain Andre Dede Ayew, could serve as the backbone of the national economy and save the country from returning to the International Monetary Fund for bailout during an economic crisis. Speaking at the inauguration of a local organizing committee for the Under-18 African Baseball Youth Championship in Accra, Professor Chumasi argued that sports today was big business. Patrick Yanko Accra, later. Yanko Accra. Quote, today the sports is money, it's business, and I tell you, if we are to have 20 Asamoahs, we will not need to go to the IMF. It's true, Professor Chumesi said. Another quote, if Ghana has 20 of the Asamoah or Dede Ayew, do you think Ghana will go to the IMF? They can find the money that we need from them, and that should be the target. First word more.
The money we need from individuals.
Ghana, Echo World Cup, Qatar. Sika adwa yekonya no ye chemu $700,000 at my Black Stars management committee members.
Management committee members. Okay. 7
members will be $100,000.
Okay.
And a Premier League na a generative players na NS boss so can wasem. Almost $400,000. The whole Premier League teams in India. The whole Premier League teams in India.
Premier League. As in Kotoko money, Diana
Olympics near the $400,000.
Teams in
India.
And Yama Kotoko,
Black Stars Management Committee member, $100,000.
You know me, 7.
Yes.
Okay.
Ye generator, Professor, Ebegu Ankrabotum. Yenya yadwe se be develop your sports.
Na bibusan senti yenya ankura sika de nkogu ankura butom.
That is it. Yenya yadwe se be develop your sports no. The whole team so the whole Premier League your body kese. Ya ko World Cup akonye scan te say.
Oh na say on say ye ko ibisa na tournament bisa na. We say usually sika e da sokora no. To be ye ka ye body ko no. Eso chen de ye ko ni mu ayi de.
Yeah, hwehwe mu na ye de ko no FIFA no hwe mu ho no. Cause on can't you say chia supporters
but as an organized nation aye ho kire ye say no. Sports a necessity, yes. But to be a calculations, ni
700,000 US dollars.
7 individuals.
7 individuals.
A
whole Premier League. Yeah, it generated the Asamoahs 100 a day. Are you know? Yeah, $400,000.
Omunyina nkwache o.
Omunyina nkwache. Na fancy generate.
Omodo so chen 7 you.
That is it.
Okay.
And now no alaji gusa enye bi wo meka. And you see, enemy ya kan wasem say nya twome ya wo ye mpanifo afa. Eyo, how can said more my God.
Na say wan kan ye kina ye ma no.
Kwesi nya tachi time. Alaji Grusa condemn sika ye dima Black Stars Management Committee from your World Cup. Yeah, you call especially in South Africa. And now Alaji Grusa benya $100,000. Or two bisa man for say e sikasu be ya Ghana for ni abre Black Stars Management Committee members.
Sir. Na no nka ho ntia na.
And then ye ene de be ya asem de kanti no. Enhyada nkomo sa.
Okay.
Dia ne ye develop your sports no e wo Ghana. Your commitment GFA ene ye de Black Stars ahyemonsa. Ye de Premier League ahyemonsa. Ye de football ahyemonsa. Sabo muane entetinya players we say Asamoah and the are you mo. Munye sika monum. Songo ka musema wonka. Sikadie basa.
Jana showa.
Bia ba GFA. Ni oba be die and wodwe ho.
Na say ye funu nti.
Ye nya ya see be developing your youth.
Na youth no abo ne homode adu bebi a wadu no. Uhu ni se nka ye gigi kakra firi wo mu ho anka ye nko IMF. Na
IMF ye nko because we ska ko gugu Black Stars Management Committee members bottom. Tenye be ko IMF professor. Ye nko kra because ska be ko gugu ankra bottom. Say it tells you say Ghana timi kra qualify from your group stage for Qatar 2022 and your core the next stage it tells you the amount of sika naka management members no
ebenya.
Ye the team say akọ World Cup group stage yakọ ye free yakukuru $100,000. Say time na dollar ni 15 Ghana cedis 1.5 million Ghana cedis
each
15 billion old cedis de dey mani pa baako
triple baako okoba
triple baako
ma dey biti
wa mabo ni bi bond wa mabio Nidi oye nyina se opushi ni favorite na coach Black Stars and ye coach ni ngwase wakata and ye saba ye chi ya 15 billion
ye twa ne ka for say ni ngwase
akofo na bede timi nya bra tete 20 Asamoahs
kwasi de bia me ka se usually ana ya family discipline kakra wo mu wo de hwe se ye ko IMF ni sisi ye ya IMF betimi a kire ye se ye ni 10 cedis dakoro ampani ampa ni nuane ampa ye betumi adi 10 no dako but say ye ni IMF wase a
yes
10 ye ni ye bedi 100 million dakoro eti ye tena se na se sika ne ye tutu kwene ye de nema ye pese de ye mismanage no a na ye wi a ye ko for bailout ho ne de ye de o hyane to ye so se kwasinsie ene she blue no ano be ti ade ntina ye ntumi nye self discipline na yan toto niema na said obi amfa ba nyina yeso
because the black man is not capable of managing his own affairs.
This a brony be her yeso
Saje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah kind side and say you ko actually pa ke say the black man is not capable. The black man is greedy. The black man is greedy. The black man is greedy. New Weekend Crusading Guide. $2.75 million goes scam syndicate bust. Ghana Armed Forces turn in 20 suspects to CID. There is no such animal in quotation, called EMC in cabinet. Richard Nyama, school's majority chief whip. So for Becca, ne honor Frank and Adom pray train come on pay musuno. And also as me to yem say a generate issues are bepim ne na outri. And ora John Alan Kojo Trematin campaign team, official campaign team. Any statement by on team say enya no krese Alan Kojo Trematin na ye chairman of the Economic Management Committee of Cabinet.
Okay.
2, almost be BNY a friend of Cabinet Economic Management Committee. And Penifobin so the list been so abba. Say enipa and so ministries and so and the WhatsApp committee so and Ora John Alan Kojo Trematin chairman. No, a chairman of the committee in 2022. Now near Ama Alan Trematin call for the same sansu say if the na Alan na chairman for EMC, cabinet EMC in 2022, 2071 na chairman. And so and so Upper East, North East residents appeal for gas refilling stations. Contempt case against Apostle Eben Boying adjourned. Nungwa chief tackles Senate says Frank Louis earned his appointment as my chief of staff. Self-styled businessman Ray arrested after he was discharged by Accra Circuit Court. The New Weekend Crusade Guide, The Chronicle. Or the Chief Justice Kwesi Nin Yabua, or Nusun board chairman, Edema Emeniampon Senior High School. Ebeshuwe. Your company 49 ye Bugana. Mampeni na bedi echire Speaker of Parliament and a Chief Justice.
Yes.
We di na school akọ ye penny wo. Papa ya kan wase me yo Chief Justice. Say Speaker of Parliament ni wo mampeni ni wo na bedi echire wo a. Ona be hwe echire say Ghana mampeni. So the mecha no. Oye amani ampon Senior High School. Ye wo Asante Mampong. School na yesi in 1972. Ameniampon Senior High School.
I said there were personal interest.
Because I want them me secondary school.
Okay.
Yes. On a board chairman, the board of directors.
Okay.
Ameniampon Senior High School. Trial of Opuni Agogo police refer case to CJ. Attorney General Police with retired Honyenuga. Kusa Traditional Council called for calm. More functioning traffic light at La Paz pose danger to road users. Tema to host Greater Accra Region 6 March celebration. Greater Accra Regional Minister I can say. The Chronicle. And so there, no. Daily Graphic. Routine immunization, vaccine shortage will soon be over. Ghana Health Service assures public.
Achakra.
Editor bows out. Many laud his contribution to Graphic Corporation. Project to bring back dropout. 70,000 children returning to school. Okay, nice one. Daily Graphic. Okay. Ghanaian Times also in a chieftaincy conflict at Tripoli. 4 killed. Soldier. 4 others injured. Women, children flee. Houses set ablaze. Or the Interior Minister, Ambrose Derry, Efuni Abba. Cocobot financial loss case. AG asked judge to refer case to Chief Justice. Registration of voters. Parliament adopts CI to make Ghana card sole registration document.
Kwesi, Bakonoa, Interior Minister picture that will not say near here.
Cheponento Kwano.
Cheponento Kwano.
See, you come nipa 9. So Jenny Bako. Nipa 9 swepra. Emma and Quada Ejani. A treasure to if you do a woman.
I want Chirepone.
Okay. Yes. Ghana card, I can't was and patch only be a copebi. As I say, I fear D and my battle baba to know the only identity. Ya bet me the Achenya Quenya to aba a your Ghana card.
I am voters ID card.
Oh, yeah, be say. What's a new voters register?
That and one.
A Timua, a friend of one register no.
It's a one ever migrating my cost.
Now, yeah, facey the next one a bear near their facey voters register no and crack at the F2. Ghana EU IOM a partner to implement safe, orderly, regular migration project. And to Ghanaian types. So, Mami for way daily guide in your call online swim. NPP NDC tango over EC law and so you pass it. Ashanti Women's Organizer endorses Dr. Kwabena Dufour. One killed, several houses burnt in Wanchiki chieftaincy dispute. Refer police trial to CJ Attorney General. Ghana is a pillar of stability. Finance Minister Sona Eka is saying to personal. Adom Badwam online is say.
AdomOnline.com. The first one, our house is spare parts dealers to fuel Mohammed's campaign vehicle.
Okay.
No so and away a room with 20 Asamojans they are used. Probably we would not need to go to IMF. Okay. Group donates 5,000 Ghana cedis to NDC MP. Was a God on say, "Oko Nigeria memo about one."
Yes. And then Nigeria for Tuamba.
And then emotion.
And then Nigeria for Tuamba. Yes. Ti adajeni pusukura.
Adajeni ho.
Peter Obine wona keka ho.
Yes.
And then Nigeria for eto omo.
Na Peter Obine names we youth owo.
Oye babunu ya.
61 years.
Yes.
Aduosia baako 61 no on the youth wo mo contested presidential seat no Nigeria when I so for be one waka so say God don't punish us with another bad leader.
Nigerian pastor.
Another bad leader. What you say? Another
bad leader. I am not supposed to make inference. But if I'm to deduce from no kind here, it means say Nigeria for a bad leader.
Okay.
Make us as a citizen, not a journalist.
You know, say God don't punish us with another bad leader. Nigerian president.
Bad.
A story way back to be a man and run a newsroom, and it's very, very heartbreaking. A positive for rehearse our opinion. Police on manhunt for man who defiled, impregnated his 2 nieces at Agona Swedru Bachoko for my on the Mabe Brebe Buono was one wafa for na sebi on the one bededa. Agona Swedru District Police Command has launched a manhunt for one Kobina Apia for allegedly defiling and impregnating his own family members. The 32-year-old Kobina allegedly took advantage of his elder sister's daughters and impregnated them in the process. Both the victims, a 16-year-old and her sister, 14, 16 and 14, and the suspect lived together at Agona Adom in the Agona West District of the Central Region. Mother of the victim, Efua Yeboah, who is beyond heartbroken, said she left the victims in the care of her younger brother to undergo an emergency surgery. So when we are bar, it was surgery, emergency. No, I didn't mammy you knew. I bet now one chance of offer. What do you say? I will be back in my barrier Koranwa and can you woofy nipa? Metuna me major mu, a job was our coming for Munya Penny Biadi of Amisro. Her me suma me back one fish here doing sia, back one fish here doing 9. Mammy cock yes surgery. Say what for not to honor, Kodam you know, so one woman the day. 16 years back, 14 years back. Was say she alleged that the suspect gave alcoholic beverages to the victim. Let's say was our crime or woman bro. Oh my Ghana mambrana crank, I no say 18 years and above, 16 and 14, woman bro say chum. It will be crossed over the sleeping pills. A draw no mamma would be when you cranny dasa is a granny better no. Now why your mother will obey your warm will free. We no when ya bema we dwane be say bema de nka si ubo na ye usi ubo se bema na utu anamo wati se ya we na nko akunko na usi akonwa so na atwen posifo we dwane swedra posifo hwehwe sa akoi 32 pe 32 years youth we bebu no e na ono ane wafa asefo mienu wadi wo mu awusa na wie kura sai anyanyem wo mu ayare ho sempa na mpedifo se ombebo mo moden se sa opanyino ombekire ne mara no ene dedi kwezi
ayo
yanko yanko ebeji ene
krame na eja
abusia ye na ye ho aba kwasinsia me so hia me akai so obefre me anochi wa badwa se wa na agwakansie ba betwa so ansa na ye nua ba betena se na wodi ahosepe atwa so na afi enkomo kakra ba se bi di kanso ehia pa sembe ne kwasinsia de ba ye basisia